Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. One of the big phones that are coming in 2022 is the Oneplus 10 Pro. And we have a new leak suggesting it will have incredibly fast charging speeds. Prolific leaker Digital Chat Station shared a few specs of the upcoming phone on Twitter. So far we know a 6.7-inch 2K 120Hz screen, a 48 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel camera array, a 32 megapixel selfie snapper. But in a follow-up tweet, Digital Chat Station shared something new. Apparently, the phone will get 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. While some flagships get snappy powering, few brands are really embracing super fast charging like 80-watt, although a few Xiaomi phones do hit 120-watt. The exact Oneplus 10 Pro charging speed will depend on the battery size, but 80-watt will likely get the phone from empty to full in under 20 minutes. Presuming it has a battery capacity of around 4500, which is likely for flagship phones. Let's assume OnePlus lets the full 80-watt power flow, but remember, fast charging can often damage a battery. So some companies introduce software and hardware solutions to mitigate the problems, which can affect powering speed a little. Now let's talk about the camera settings. We don't know much about the camera of the standard OnePlus 10, but a leaker claims the OnePlus 10 Pro will have a triple lens camera with a 48 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel ultra wide one and an 8 megapixel telephoto one with 3.3x optical zoom. As for the OnePlus 10 Pro's front facing snapper, that's rumored to be a 32 megapixel camera, which would be a big upgrade in terms of megapixel on the OnePlus 9 Pro's 16 megapixel camera. The company has also recently confirmed that the OnePlus 10 will use the top-end Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. This is the successor to the Snapdragon 888 and it likely to power many of the 2020's flagship Android handsets. A leaker has claimed that the OnePlus 10 Pro will have a 8GB or 12GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB of storage and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Well, that's about all for now. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get daily updates. Till the next time.